This week I will show you the alternative acupressure points for constipation for those who didn't see the results with the original set. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. One of the most popular videos on my channel is the acupressure points for constipation. It's an old video, but I'm glad to see it is still serving people around the world. Many people have left comments with good news, thank you very much, but I have seen some that said it didn't work for them. So this week I will show you another set of acupressure points to try for those who didn't see the results. These are all around the belly button, so these are not for pregnant ladies. If you are pregnant, watch this video instead. I'll put the link below too. Press these points as you breathe deeply for 1 minute. The first one is located 3 fingers from the belly button on both sides. This is called stomach 25 or ST25. I usually like to press it with my middle finger supported by index and ring finger. The second one is located 3 fingers below the last point, stomach 25. This is called stomach 27 or ST27. The third one is 4 fingers below the belly button. This is called conception vessel 4 or CV4. Finally, the lower back point that I shared in the video for pregnant ladies, but it's good for anyone. The last one is on the lower back. Find the L4, which is the second vertebrae from the sacrum. Go 2 finger widths from the spine on both sides. These are called Urinary Bladder 25 or UB25. When you put your hands on your hip bone, it's where your thumbs are on the ropey back muscle. This point is good for constipation as well as lower back pain. If it's hard to press your back with your thumbs, make a fist and place your knuckle on these points and press or circle to stimulate them, or sit against them. You don't need to press these fists into your back if you just lean against it with your body weight. If you have 2 tennis balls, put them in a sock. Place each ball on this acupressure point and sit against them. And you can be hands-free. Some people see the results right away, while it may take longer for others. Everyone is different. If you find the one that works well for you, you don't have to do them all. Along with the original video, I hope you find at least one effective point that works for your evacuation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos are up and out.